Welcome to the Bailey how-to videos, and in this video we'll be talking about the toilet. How do we deal with the toilet? Is it as terrible as everyone says? In essence, no, it's not. It's an incredibly simple process and we'll show you how. Now, before we open this cassette door, we need to go inside just to make sure that the toilet is closed. Otherwise, you may find that when you try and draw the cassette out, it won't move. If you find that, it just means that the blade is shut. Now, obviously gloves are optional. This is a new toilet, so I won't be wearing any on this occasion. So the toilet is accessed via this door and you'll see the flush above. So to open this door, get your key, unlock it, and then press both buttons. And you'll see that the toilet cassette is behind. Now, to remove the cassette, you've got this orange handle here. All you do is pull this up and then pull the unit out. And to remove it, it's as simple as that. So let's say we've just arrived on site and we want to make sure it's got the correct amount of toilet chemical inside. So we just put the cassette down and pull this flap backwards. And then we have this, this little lever on top, turn that, and it opens the blade here. Now, we're having Aquachem Blue, and the directions on the back says that we need 50 millilitres of chemical. So all we do, press and turn, and pour it in until we have used 50 ml. There we go. And then we need to top that up with some water. And we're good to go. So all we do is close that flap, push that back into position, and then this should just slot back into place. Just make sure that orange handle is in the down position, and then you can close the cassette door. Right, so if you need to top up your flush, again, you'll need your key, and it's the flap at the top. So all we do is open with the key, and you have a point here from which to fill. So again, on the side, there will be the amount of chemical you need. So we simply pour that into there. And then all you do is simply fill the flush up until you can see it level with this filler point. So let's say that's full now. All you have to do, close the flap, turn the key, and your flush is ready to use. Right, so you've been on site for a while and you need to empty your toilet cassette. It's as simple as taking the cassette out and then taking it to your Elson point or your chemical disposal point, which you will find on site. When you're there, all you need to do is press this orange button. Don't forget this, because this releases any vacuum that may be inside. And then you swivel this, undo the end, and then you simply keep your thumb on that button while you're doing so, but then pour it into the disposal point. You can then put some water into the top or in the end. Give it a gentle shake just to rinse it out. Do that 2 or 3 times. And then if you're staying on site a bit more, you can then put some water back in, ready for your flush chemical when you come back. And then once your cassette is ready, all you do, slide it back into place. Right, so if you're ready to travel home or you're winterizing your caravan, you don't want the water in the flush. There's a drain pipe for this just inside this door. So you open the door, and on this caravan, it's just a black pipe to the right-hand side, and it has a bung in the end. Now I've got my waste master here to empty it into. Hopefully I'm a reasonable shot, but all you do is you pull the bung out, and then you empty the flush liquid until it stops running. And when it's empty, the flush is completely drained and you're ready to go. So in summary, that is the toilet. It's not a terrible process. It's certainly not one to be scared of. It's an incredibly easy thing to do if you follow the steps we've just shown you. So when you're away next time, just enjoy your holiday.